What's up guys, Furious Pete and Melissa here. We're coming to you guys from the NutriBullet Extraction Kitchen, and we're talking desserts.
Ooh, I love dessert.
From giant donuts to giant gummy worms, I've had my fair share of exceptional desserts, but I've never really been impressed with a dessert smoothie. Today, Melissa and I will be taking my favorite dessert, strawberry shortcake, and we're gonna see who can create the best strawberry shortcake smoothie.
Pete, you know that there's a recipe?
Hey, this is a competition. This is a challenge. If you're not up for it, then just say so right now, okay?
Nope, I'm fine.
Right, then let's do this.
Spinach, strawberries, oats, cashews, almond milk,
I think I need something stronger.
vanilla, nutmeg, coconut oil, raisins, cinnamon.
Release the shortcake. Eureka! I've done it!
Well, let's see yours.
Can I try yours?
Go right ahead.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's
Right?
good job. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Do you want me to try
No. I made this one specifically for me, and I'm hungry, and
That's fine.
NutriBullet, healthy eating made easy. To see more of my videos and my favorite NutriBullet recipes, go to NutriBullet.com/Furious and use code FURIOUS to save yourself 20%. Go now.